PDF merge PDF champ. Need to combine multiple PDFs into a single file? PDF Champ's PDF merge feature makes it fast, easy, and professional. What the feature does. With PDF merge, you can consolidate multiple PDFs into one unified document. It preserves original quality, keeps metadata intact, and even supports password-protected files. Use it for document consolidation, combine reports, invoices, and documents into one file. Book compilation, merge chapters or sections of a book into a single document. Report assembly, create comprehensive documents by combining multiple reports. Email attachments, reduce the number of files you send by merging PDFs into one. Why use PDF merge? Time-saving document consolidation. Professional, organized presentation. Easy sharing of multiple documents in one file. Maintains original quality of all pages. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open PDF merge. Launch PDF Champ and open PDF merge from the Basic Tools tab. Step 2. Select PDF files. Click Browse Files to select multiple PDFs. Files from different folders can be added together. Step 3. Reorder files. Reorder your files as needed. The order here determines the order in the merge PDF. Step 4. Handle password-protected PDFs. If a PDF is password-protected, enter the password to include it in the merge. Step 5. Remove files. Remove any unwanted files from the list by selecting and clicking the Remove button. Step 6. Save merged PDF. Click Merge PDFs. Choose a location and file name, then save. Step 7. Completion. Wait for the merge to complete. A success message confirms your new merged PDF is ready. Combine your PDFs quickly and effortlessly with PDF Champ's PDF merge feature.